Welcome to your workout. Stay focused, stay strong. Let's transform your energy together. Next exercise, jumping jacks. Get ready. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Start. Next exercise, high knees. Get ready. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Start. Next exercise, squats. Prepare yourself. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Start. Next exercise, plank hold. Get into position. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Start. Next exercise, mountain climbers. Ready? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Start. Final move, cool down stretch. Relax and prepare. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job completing today's workout. If you enjoyed this session, get ready. The next part is coming with even more powerful moves. But before you go, tell me in the comments, how was today's video? Which exercise you loved? And what did I miss that you want me to cover next time? Your feedback helps me create the perfect workout for you. So don't forget to comment, like, and share your energy. See you in the next part. Stay strong, stay consistent.